How to create clipping masks in Canva. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be quickly talking about clipping masks and how you're going to be able to create them in Canva in the easiest and most simplest way. So to create a clipping mask for yourself, what you're going to do is first of all, you're going to come over to your Canva and choose a template. So the template we're going to be going with is YouTube thumbnail. All right. So once we have gone with our YouTube thumbnail right about here, what you're going to do is you're going to open up any template for yourself. So once this template is opened up, what you're going to be doing is you're going to first of all add any type of background. So I'm going to go ahead and add a rectangle over here. Okay. I'm going to spread it along like this, and we're going to give it a darker color. So once we give it a black color, what happens from here is you're going to go ahead and upload any photo that you want to add as a recurring design. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add this. All right. Now, once you have added this, you can go ahead and expand it however much you want. So let's say I'm going to expand it this much, right? So once we have done that, make sure to centralize the image. Once you've centralized the image, what's going to happen along from here is you're going to go over to editing this photo. And once you go over to edit, you're going to go to background remover where you're going to remove the background of the image. So as you can see now, the background is removed. And once the background is removed, you're going to go back into edit again. You're going to go to duotone. And once you do that, you're going to go to custom. And once we've gone to custom, what you're going to do from here is you're going to make sure to keep the highlights at a white. And what you're going to do is you're going to keep the shadows at a white as well. So once that is done, basically from here, you're going to export this image. Okay. We're going to click on download, go to PNG, and we are going to download it right away. So once that is done downloading, what you're going to do from here is you're going to delete this whole design, come right over here to the untitled design that you've just added, and you're going to go ahead and position it somewhere right here in your design. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add any other image that you want to add into your whole design. So for this, what we are going to be doing is basically from here on out, add in any consistent image or design you want to go with. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add this, right? So once you added that, you're going to go ahead and increase the design's size. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring this forward. So you're going to come to position, you're going to bring it to front. And once you bring it to front, what's going to be happening over here is you're going to be making sure that this is a totally background less PNG photo that you're working with, right? So we're going to come over to this, go over to background remove. And once we go to background remove, as you can see, it's going to remove the whole background just like that. And once you do that, increase your design like this. Now, obviously, this is a design that has some textings and words over it. So we're going to go with something that has a more editorial scheme in the back. So let's say I'm going to add this right over here, and I'm going to bring this forward. There we go. So once you have done that, just like this, as you can see, you can create any clipping masks for yourself in Canva in the easiest and most simplest way. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.